Doctor, I don't feel well, but I don't know how to explain my problem.
You don't know what to say when you are sick? Many people feel the same.
Yes, when I'm sick, I don't know how to talk to a doctor.
If you don't know how to speak when you feel sick, this channel is for you. Really?
Wow, I'm not the only one.
Exactly. If you feel sick like this, subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Okay, let's start.
Great. Let's get started. I'll just listen to your chest.
Okay.
What's the matter?
I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Are you tired?
Yes, very tired.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't.
Do you take any medicine?
No, not yet.
Do you drink enough water?
Not really.
Do you eat regularly?
Sometimes I skip meals.
Do you work a lot?
Yes, I work every day.
Do you exercise?
No, I don't have time.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, too much.
I think you need rest.
Okay,
You should drink more water.
I will.
You should eat healthy food.
Yes, I understand.
You should sleep at least 8 hours.
I will try.
Do you need a prescription?
Yes, please.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need a sick note?
Yes, for work.
When should I come back?
In 1 week.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any questions?
No, that's all.
Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
Do you have a stomach ache?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you feel dizzy?
Yes, a little.
Are you vomiting?
No, I am not.
Do you have diarrhea?
No, I don't.
Do you have a rash?
Yes, on my arm.
Is it itchy?
Yes, very itchy.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, I have a runny nose.
Do you sneeze a lot?
Yes, all day.
Do you have chest pain?
No, not really.
Is your breathing normal?
Yes, it is.
Do you have allergies?
Yes, to pollen.
Do you feel weak?
Yes, very weak.
Do you have back pain?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have stomach problems?
Yes, after eating.
Do you have a headache often?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you feel stressed?
Yes, a lot.
Do you sleep well?
No, not enough.
Do you feel cold?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you feel hot?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have chills?
Yes, a little.
Are your muscles sore?
Yes, after work.
Do you have joint pain?
Yes, in my knees.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, every day.
Do you have high blood pressure?
No, I don't.
Do you have low blood pressure?
No, I don't.
Do you have diabetes?
No, I don't.
Do you have asthma?
No, I don't.
Do you have a heart problem?
No, I don't.
Do you feel anxious?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a fever today?
Yes, 38 degrees.
Do you have trouble sleeping?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you feel tired in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Do you exercise regularly?
No, I don't.
Do you take medicine for headaches?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use a thermometer?
Yes, at home.
How is your appetite?
Not very good.
Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, a little.
Do you drink enough water daily?
Not always.
Do you wash your hands often?
Yes, I do.
Do you take rest at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to the doctor often?
Not very often.
Do you feel better after medicine?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a cough at night?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you take hot drinks?
Yes, tea.
Do you have trouble breathing?
No, I don't.
Do you feel weak after work?
No, I don't.
Do you feel weak after work?
Yes, always.
Do you check your temperature?
Yes, every day.
Do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Yes, every day.
Do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Yes, every day.